Hi guys, so Gerald here again. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys that Clickbank actually sent my checks to me. Yes, and I'm excited about it. It's not the kind of money I was looking for, right? Like right now, that's not the kind of money I want, but it shows that Clickbank actually does work. And considering the fact that this is passive income, you just need to do a little amount of work just once, and the money keeps coming over and over and over again. So it's amazing. And I'm going to go to my screen and show you guys the checks that I received from Clickbank, right? And okay, and another mistake I made was that I set my Clickbank account to the threshold of $100. So with every $100, they will send me a check, right? Once it gets to $100, they send a check every 2 weeks. That's one thing I've discovered. So that's the mistake I made. So what I've done now is that I have changed my threshold to $5,000. So they're not allowed to send any check to me until my money gets to $5,000. That's what I've done right now. So let's go to my screen, guys. Let me show you these checks that I actually got from Clickbank.
So guys, now you seen the check here. This is my Clickbank dashboard. If you look here, you will see that these monies have been paid. These ones were not paid because I have increased my threshold to $5,000 as at this time. So these ones I'm not going to get them until I get a total of $5,000 in my Clickbank account right here. So these are the three checks that you just looked at: 92.40, 281.41, and 236.16. And these are the dates that they were sent, right? A total of 609.97, right? And okay, and I've ensured that this money be paid into Lloyd's bank account in the UK. So I'm going to show you that payment deposit slip, the Lloyd's bank account in the UK, in a little while. So guys, that's this to show you, to encourage you that Clickbank actually works. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys another new method to promote Clickbank product that I have confirmed, and it's working for me, right? Because what I do literally is that I take you by the hand and show you how to win. So I try something, it works, then I come right here on this channel and tell you this is how I did it, so you can do it and get the exact same result. So guys, this is the foreign check deposit slip for Lloyd's Bank in the UK, right? On the 10th March was deposited like I instructed. There were 3 checks, number of checks 3, currency is US dollars, and 609.97 is the exact same amount that Clickbank paid us, 609.97, right? So guys, this is it. This is real, guys. This is real. So that's it. Right? Until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning and God bless you. Stay safe, guys, and happy Easter.